For today's lesson, we are going to review nouns. So turn in your ELA notebook to section 1 and go to the next available blank page. And this is going to be Grammar Lesson 11. Grammar Lesson 11. And it's going to be a noun review. So your I can statement is I can identify nouns in a sentence. Okay, one of our last lessons, I think it was grammar lesson 8, we talked about what a noun was, and we learned that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Okay, underline noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. So we're going to do some examples of each of these, and I'm going to write some sentences. I want you to copy the sentences and see if we can identify where the nouns are. So the first one is, number 1, the people of Japan celebrate many holidays. The people of Japan celebrate many holidays. I'm going to tell you that there are 3 nouns in this sentence. Can you identify all 3 of them? Do that by underlining the nouns in the sentence. Okay, the first one is people. The people, which is a person, of Japan, which is a place, celebrate many holidays, and holidays is an idea. Okay, let's do number 2. Number 2 is, the picture below is of the snow festival in Sapporo. The picture below is of the snow festival in Sapporo. Okay. Identify the nouns in this sentence by underlining them. I will tell you that again there are 3. Okay, and to do this,
if you are in cross country, you need to be at lunch right now. If you are in cross country, please have your lunch now.
All right. There are 3 of them, and what I'd like you to do as I'm going through this is to pause it for as long as you need to identify it, and then unpause it, and then continue to watch the answers, okay? So the first one is the picture, okay? And a picture is a thing. Below is of the snow festival, and this is a compound noun, but specifically it is an idea, in Sapporo, which is a place. All right, and let's do number 3. Do you recognize any of the statues or buildings? Do you recognize any of the statues or buildings? Okay, in this sentence there are 2 nouns. Can you underline them and also identify if it is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea? Okay, the first one that you come to is statues. And statues are things. Okay, and we also have buildings, and buildings are also things. Okay, now you is a special form of a pronoun. That's not one that I want you to underline at this time. When we talk about pronouns again, we do extra practice with that, then we will talk about you as being a noun. Let's do number 4. Number 4 is many groups work together to build these giant sculptures of snow. Many groups work together to build these giant sculptures of snow. Many groups work together to build these giant sculptures of snow. Okay, we're looking for 3 nouns in this sentence. The first one is groups. And groups in this case is we're going to consider it an idea. Work together to build these giant sculptures. These are things of snow, and snow is also a thing. Okay, and let's do another one. Is that the Statue of Liberty made out of snow? Is that the Statue of Liberty made out of snow? Question mark. And in this one, we're looking for 2 nouns. The first one is Statue of Liberty, and this is a compound noun. It's referring to a specific thing, and it's made out of snow, which is also a thing. Okay. All right, this is going to be enough practice for today. If you had trouble with this, don't worry, we're going to do it again. The goal, remember, in this lesson is always to pause it so that you have a chance to practice it before I show you the answers. Otherwise, it's difficult for you to know whether or not you're understanding it if you haven't had a chance to practice and then know for sure what is right and what is wrong. Okay, so when we practice this again, remember, pause it. Anytime I'm about to show the answer, try to answer it yourself, and then see if your answer was right. And if it wasn't, you always want to fix it too. Okay, all right, we will continue practicing again tomorrow. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.